The RGW-560 is a new banding label solution with on-demand printing. You can print elegant graphics on the label, which makes products more attractive to customers and helps to boost sales. With conventional banding labels, it simply isn't practical to stock pre-printed labels for every single product. But DIGI's unique solution prints labels on demand, a new concept for banding machines. With the RGW-560, not only can you clearly display information and ensure your product is securely sealed, but the appearance of your product will be greatly enhanced. The RGW-560 is compact, with a width of 630 mm, depth of 325 mm, and height of 788 mm. This is the loop guide where the label is printed and product is banded. You can easily pack items 50 to 240 mm in width, 10 to 150 mm in height, and depth of 80 mm or more. Operation is simple. First, open up product information on the monitor. This information is pre-programmed into the machine. Then, place your product on the loop guide, and that's it. Banding labels allow anyone to easily create beautiful packages. The RGW-560 can band and print 12 packs per minute, letting you print labels, band items, and save time. Both ends of the banding label are securely sealed, which ensures that lids are kept shut tight. Banding labels are 60 mm in width and come in several colors, including silver and white. Transparent labels are also available. Unlike conventional labels, there is plenty of space for all the necessary product information, such as product name, price, ingredients, and store logo, keeping everything neatly and clearly displayed. With such a beautiful product, you just might dramatically increase your sales. DIGI also provides a variety of attractive design templates for you to use. Improve your packaging with elegantly designed labels and let RGW-560 assist in enhancing your product presentation.